Alright, mga ka-vlog, mga Pilipino sa buong mundo. Charo! Nandito kami sa Stockholm, Sweden. Say hi! Hi, kabayan! Hello! Yes, Joy, after a century. Nagkita po kami.
Saan yung ano dito? Unique niya.
Oh, ayan tignan niyo po ang ganda ng Stockholm.
Tsaka Foot Locker.
We will have a 2 hours tour.
Sorry.
Alright.
Sorry!
Yes. Say hi to our vlog. Hello, Pilipinas. Wow.
Hello, kapang.
Happy birthday, girl.
Girl.
Anong wish mo for today's video?
Sa akin na lang yan.
Edi meow. Oh, say hi to our beautiful buildings.
Ka na dito.
So may I have your attention, please? Yes, very nice. Thank you.
Hello, Joy. Hello. Hello, mga ka-vlog. What can you say?
What can you say?
Oh my God, what can I say? Back to me. Well, it's fun here in Sweden. So, we're touring around the islands of Sweden. Okay?
Archipelago.
Yeah, islands, archipelago, yeah. And then as you can see, the island there is covered with trees. Malay ko dyan, anong history niya? And then, ano yung tower na yon? Yan yung tower na hindi pa natapos. Basa na? Oh my God. Naka-ispo ako.
Ew.